To us, health is the highest personal priority. This inspires our daily mission of serving life sciences and healthcare professionals with advanced and sustainable products and solutions. Advancing technologies. For more than 50 years, our passion has driven us to constantly innovate to ensure your success. We have been instrumental in the development of consumables in the diagnostics and life sciences industries, as well as in the medical market, since 1963. We are proud of our rich pioneering history, from the production of the first plastic petri dishes to Europe's first plastic vacuum sampling system, or the invention of the world's first 1536 well microplates. We will continue to strive for new and innovative product solutions that are precisely tailored to your requirements and optimally support you in your daily work.
Our innovative spirit supports the results of your groundbreaking work, yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
Ideas become solutions.